This short film is meant to be a visual aid to assist with the simple installation of the Scalebreaker units and should only be used in conjunction with the installation sheet supplied with the unit. We would emphasise therefore that first of all, before even taking anything out of the box, that you please read the detailed installation instructions carefully. Having done this, then check the contents of the box, which should contain the following items. The electronic unit. Do not take the covers off the adhesive pads on the rear of the unit at this stage. If the unit is inadvertently put down on any surface, it will adhere to it and will be very difficult to remove. The 12-volt power supply with a 2-meter lead and mains UK plug. Overseas customers can use an adapter, or if supplied by a local agent, could have a mains plug fitted to suit the relevant country. Alternatively, please contact Scalebreaker Limited if a power supply with the relevant plug for the country is required, and we will endeavour to supply your requirement. The aerial cable, a lead fitted with 2 plugs, one at each end, to fit into the 2 sockets on top of the electronic unit. This wire is to be wrapped around the pipe. 2 cable ties, to fix the ends on the aerial cable to the pipe. There will also be a 5-year warranty sheet which should have the serial number of the unit printed on it. Please check that this number is the same number on the rear of the electronic unit. Whilst not essential, it would be helpful if the form could be completed and returned to Scalebreaker Limited. The next thing to do is to check out where to fit the unit. This is described in detail in the instruction leaflet. We would emphasise that if necessary, a longer aerial lead can be supplied if the unit cannot be fitted within 2 meters of the main socket or extension lead. Check out that the unit works by simply just plugging the 12-volt socket into the electronic unit and switching the mains plug on. The green light will show that the power is on, and the yellow lights should flash, which indicates that the unit is working correctly. The standard SB units will have 2 yellow lights, and the SB Plus units will just have 1 yellow light. Having established that the unit works, undo the screw holding the cable clamp using a Phillips screwdriver. Put the wire inside the clamp and then refit so that the 12-volt plug is not affected if the wire is pulled unexpectedly. Now wrap the aerial wire around the pipe for 20 to 30 turns. Attach a cable tie around the pipe, trapping the wire to the pipe, allowing approximately 150 mm or 6 inches of free wire at each end. This allows for the plugs to be switched around if necessary. Sometimes, due to the water system configuration, it may be necessary to switch the aerial wires around to ensure maximum effect, and this can then be done without any problem. Finally, peel off the adhesive pad protective covering. Plug in the aerial leads to the sockets in the unit and adhere it to the wall. Should you have any queries or require further information, then please do not hesitate to contact us either by email or phone, details of which are on our website www.scalebreaker.co.uk.